Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan GTR versus high-performance motorcycles. We'll explore their capabilities, focusing on speed, handling, and overall driving experience. Understanding these differences will help you decide which machine better suits your preferences for thrill and practicality. Both offer exhilarating performance, but in very distinct ways. When it comes to handling, motorcycles truly shine with their nimble nature. They can weave through tight spaces and lean into corners with incredible precision. The GTR, while a formidable sports car, relies on its sophisticated suspension and all-wheel drive to maintain composure, offering a different kind of controlled power. Considering practicality, the GTR provides a more comfortable ride for passengers and can carry more luggage. Bikes, however, typically boast much better fuel economy and a lower initial purchase price, often starting around $15,000 for a good sport bike. Insurance and maintenance costs can fluctuate, but bikes often have lower running expenses. The driving experience is profoundly different. The GTR offers a sense of security and raw power from within a cabin. Motorcycles deliver an unparalleled feeling of freedom and direct engagement with the environment. While both are thrilling, bikes inherently carry higher safety risks, demanding greater focus and protective gear from the rider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.